Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another video. And in this one I am going to show you how to download, install, and set up a VPN app called RJC Nitro VPN, which is available on the Google Play Store. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment below if something is not clear so you do not miss any of my next videos. Now let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type RJC Nitro VPN. When you find the app, check the name and icon carefully to make sure it is the correct one. Tap on the app and then tap Install. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Once the app opens, you will see the home screen. Before connecting, it is good to make a few quick settings so that the app works smoothly. First, tap on the three-line menu at the top of the screen. From the menu, choose the Update button. This will update the app's resources and make sure it gives the best performance while you are using it. Next, select a server for your location. Tap on the server box and choose one that works best in your area. After that, choose your country network type. Tap on the network box, and in the search bar type UDP. For this video we are using all country UDP because it usually works in most regions. If UDP does not work well in your country, you can choose another network type from the list that matches your local network. Once all the settings are done, tap the Start button to connect. As you can see, the VPN connects successfully. And that's how you can set up and use RJC Nitro VPN to get a stable and working internet connection on your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next video.